Top 3 Eye Creams for 2020 by Susan Best. Let's start with the list. Number 1. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Restore and repair, reduces the look of dark circles and puffiness while restoring and repairing the delicate skin barrier around your eyes with Marine and Botanical Complex for brighter, smoother, healthier looking eyes. Essential Ceramides, formulated with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 2, that help restore and maintain its natural protective barrier. Patented technology, utilizes patented MVE-controlled release technology to help replenish ceramides and deliver long-lasting moisturization. Gentle on skin, fragrance-free, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, won't clog pores. Ophthalmologist tested, recognized as safe for use around the eye area. Number 2. Pure Biology Premium Total Eye Cream Serum. Anti-aging eye cream, packed with proven ingredients: hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, aloe and argan oil. This under-eye cream adds 2 of the strongest proprietary complexes clinically shown to deliver the most potent wrinkle reduction benefits among non-RX grade cosmetic skin care products. Brighten and Protect, EyeBright, Caffeine and Vitamin C promote antioxidants and increase collagen to defend against UV exposure, reduce under-eye bags, puffiness and dark circles, and renew thin, delicate skin around the eyes to look more refreshed and youthful. Lift and Tighten, SymLift helps immediately moisturize and fill wrinkles, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and crow's feet with visible results possible as soon as the first application. Hydrate and Renew, Shea Butter, Primrose Oil and other natural extracts help lift and restore skin, penetrating deep to improve skin appearance after 30 minutes, leaving a smooth, elegant skin feel. Smooth and Non-Greasy, an anti-aging day and night cream ideal for all skin types. This beauty product targets like a serum, feels like a gel and hydrates like a cream. Non-GMO, fragrance proven and cruelty-free. Made in the USA. Comes in an airless pump which does not require a straw to dispense. Number 3. Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. Deeply hydrates, Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid instantly and intensely hydrates to nourish the delicate skin around the eyes. Brightens and smooths, features hyaluronic acid, licorice extract and a vitamin complex, specifically designed to brighten and smooth the under-eye area for a well-rested look. Absorbs quickly, unique gel cream formula absorbs quickly, like a gel, but moisturizes deeply like a cream to lock in moisture and leave the delicate eye area feeling soft, soothed and refreshed. Non-irritating and hypoallergenic, formulated to be non-irritating even for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Dermatologist tested and sensitive skin approved. Like all Cetaphil moisturizers, this product has been tested by dermatologists and is clinically shown to be gentle on sensitive skin. For more info on the products mentioned, visit the links in the video description below.